The goal of this lab is to study the voltage and current relationship across a resistor by doing some graphical analysis. As you will do in the lab report, you are going to graph current versus voltage, and from that graph, which is going to be linear, you should determine the resistance of this slinky. And from that result, and also the measured value of the resistance, we want to compare the two. So in order to measure the resistance, I'm going to disconnect this circuit. So first I'm going to turn the power off and take this one all the way 0, and then remove this and remove that. And I need my multimeter to measure the resistance. Okay, so I need that, and I don't need this. Okay, so to measure the resistance of the slinky, we have to adjust our multimeter. So as you can see, I set it to a range of up to 200 ohm. So anything up to 200 ohm, I can read the resistance here on the screen if I hooked this red lead and black lead of the multimeter to the to whatever I want to measure the resistance. Okay. You can see here now I'm measuring the resistance of the slinky. So I have just only the multimeter, which is set to measure resistance, and this cable connected to this end, and this cable connected to the other end. So this multimeter displays the resistance of this slinky from here to there. So I'm just going to show you the exact reading that you see here for the resistance. So that's the measured value of the resistance for the slinky, which is about 5 ohm. So if our experimental measurement for current and voltage is good enough, then we should find something close to 5 ohm for the resistance from your graphical analysis. Thank you. Bye.